answer my question. What's your question? Ay, yeah. I want to change boyfriend. Go to a farm. No, no Pinoy. Pinoy, very hurt. So I choose a farm. I'm looking for a farm. Oh my kulay. What's your question? Mama, aso mama. She's looking for me. Who? Your fiancé? Ay, hello. My uh daddy and I, you? Hi. Hello. Hi, hello. Kamusta po? Ay, friend po ako niya, ni Daddy Darkness, nung bago pa lang kayo. Kamusta? Ang dami kong viewers. Why? Sure. Guys, I'm looking for a husband. A fam. Not Pinoy ha. Not Pinoy. Ay siya yung darkness. Siya yun. Siya yun yung dami account niya. No? Yeah. By the way, we has my flower is doing. By the way, my flower is is not ready for now because the blood is flowing. next week available. Oh my gosh. Next week available. What? Oh, menstruation. Yeah. The menstruation is flowing, flowing, ha? Talaga sa English to. Oh, yeah. Flood control. Flood control. the, the menstruation is flood control. That's why. Not available for now. The flower is not available for now. Next week, I might have to clear my... Yeah. Next week. You need to mine. Oh, first come, first serve. Sakit grabe. Gumagano'n. Siyempre, dinada ako lang sa tawa. Alam mo ba, nakaganto ako sa live. Gagi ka. Yeah. Whole week? You mind me in a whole week? What do you mean? I didn't understand. Oh, daddy. Yati. What? Just your flower. Yeah. Only flower, not love. Not love. How about your How about your fiancé? Gana bang. Oh. Don't do that to my fiancé. Oh. What can I do? You going make it blooming. Yeah. After the flood control, the blooming is very nice. Very nice. Ay, the, uy, ay, so talaga sa buhay to. Yeah. That's why my ex is not forgettable. Not forgettable. Ay, animal roller, di ko na maintindihan. Grabe yung tao. And then my ex is not forgettable. Forgettable. Because my flower is not the same in other. Huh? Oh, tama ba? Tama ba yun? Ruler, tulungan mo naman ako. Nada, my girlfriend is very nice. She's a good girl. How about this flower? I think the tama yung translating. Ah, okay, sige, sige. Bakit may half? Ayan, takot ako tuloy sa ano yun eh. Small flower. Oh. Ah, what color? Lul.